Now, this robot vacuum doesn't just clean your floors. It actually washes itself, avoids getting stuck, and can run for months without you constantly maintaining it. This is the Lefant M5 Pro. Inside the box, you get the robot vacuum itself, the fully automatic smart cleaning station, the roller mop system, dust bag, and all the accessories you need to get started. Everything feels clean, premium, and well built right out of the box. But the biggest thing about the M5 Pro is that it's designed to automate almost every part of cleaning. Let's start with the cleaning system. The M5 Pro has up to 18,000 PAs of suction power, which gives it strong pickup for dust, crumbs, debris, and pet hair on both hardwood floors and carpets. It also uses a V-shaped turbo roller brush to help pull in dirt and hair more efficiently while reducing tangles. And because it has zero tangle design with dual combs, hair buildup on the brush is kept to a minimum, which is great if you have pets at home. Now, another thing that I like is the body design. It has an ultra slim 10cm body, so it can slide under more furnitures like couches, beds, and cabinets. It can also cross obstacles up to 16mm, so small thresholds and transitions between rooms are less of a problem. Now, the mopping system here is where things get really interesting. Instead of just dragging a cloth behind a vacuum, the M5 Pro uses 20cm extended roller mop, which is longer than the standard 18cm roller brushes you usually see on the market. Now, that means it covers more floor with every pass. It also has 16 water outlets and spins at 280 RPM, so it's actually scrubbing instead of just slightly wiping. Now, during cleaning, it automatically ejects clean water into the roller mop and collects dirty water at the same time, so it keeps rinsing as it goes. That helps avoid the problem where the dirty mop just keeps spreading the mess around. Now, it also applies 18 times roller brush pressure for deeper stain removal, so for dried spills or sticky marks, it has more scrubbing force behind it. And because it collects dirty water during the process, it's designed to avoid leaving water residue or puddles behind after cleaning. When the M5 Pro detects carpet, it automatically boosts suction and it lifts the mop by 8mm. So your carpets stay dry while the vacuums still gives them extra cleaning power. Then there's the fully automatic smart cleaning station, which is what makes this whole system feel almost hands-free. Now, the station has a 3.2-liter auto-empty dust bag that can last up to 120 days before needing replacement. So you're not just constantly emptying the robot by hand. After mopping, the station washes the roller mop using 75 degrees Celsius hot water to help break down dirt and clean the mop more effectively. It also has adjustable cold air drying to help reduce moisture and prevent odors. On top of that, the station can automatically dispose of dirty water and refill clean water, so the robot is ready for the next cleaning session with less work from you. And even with all of this automation, it operates at a low noise level around 55 decibels, so it's not overwhelmingly loud in the home. Now, battery life is also strong here, with up to 180 minutes of runtime, which makes it practical for larger cleaning sessions. Now, for navigation here, the M5 Pro uses Smart Obstacle Avoidance 2.0 with PSD technology and a 190-degree wide-angle sensor. That means it can intelligently detect and avoid things like furniture legs, cables, toys, and smaller obstacles without constantly bumping into everything or getting stuck. It also uses a 360-degree LiDAR navigation to create precise 3D maps of your home. Now, inside the app, you can actually see how it builds smart cleaning routines and cleans systematically instead of randomly bouncing around. It also supports up to 3 floors of map memory, which is useful for multi-level homes. Now, connectivity here is also solid because this supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi with automatic switching for a more stable connection. Now, inside the app, you can actually schedule cleanings, change suction levels, create no-go zones, customize cleaning modes, and fully control how the robot cleans your home. I also love that it works with Alexa and Google Home and Apple Watch for voice and smart device control. Now, honestly, this is one of those robot vacuums that feels designed to do almost everything for you. It vacuums, mops, empties itself, washes the mop, dries the mop, refills clean water, disposes of dirty water, maps your home intelligently, avoids obstacles, and keeps cleaning with every little maintenance required from you. So if you want a powerful robot vacuum with 18,000 PA of suction, an extended roller mop scrubbing system, smart navigation, carpet detection, and a fully automatic cleaning station that handles almost everything, the Lefant M5 Pro is definitely the one to look at. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that like button if I was able to help you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well if you are interested for more intensive reviews just like this one on your smart home devices. If you have any questions at all, I'll see you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!